Grizzlies. This is Miss Johnson, and I want to welcome you to the second episode of the Counselor Corner. If you missed episode 1, check it out on the Granite Park Video YouTube page. On last week's episode, we discussed stress-busting tips. On today's Counselor Corner, we want to invite you to join us in a challenge that we are calling Bonding Bingo. Remember back in January, we did our kindness challenge where the whole school participated in a bunch of activities to show kindness to others. This is similar, but instead of directing it towards other students, we want you to direct it to the people you live with, to your family. Our hope is that these activities will give you a chance to have fun together as a family, to help each other, and to remember how much you care about one another. Yesterday, we sent out an email to parents and students explaining the Bonding Bingo Challenge. We attached a copy of the bingo board to the email. Here is a copy for you to see now. Feel free to take a picture with your phone. Then, as a family, see how many of these activities you can complete. Can you earn a bingo or even a blackout? Some are silly, like take a family selfie or have a paper airplane contest. And some connect more to showing kindness, like helping a sibling with homework or helping with a chore. At the bottom of a page are some possibilities for rewards if you complete the challenge. Most of all, we want you to have fun with each other. We know that things are really hard right now, and all of the unknown can feel overwhelming. Our families can be a great support system. Have fun completing Bonding Bingo with your family this week. To get you started, we thought we would show you some examples of your teachers, principal, and counselors participating in Bonding Bingo too.
What are you guys doing?
Making these thingies.
They're like cards you're giving people?
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Alright. So now you're gonna put pink and gray the wilt, okay? And then I know this thing to get the excess water off.
How'd you guys do this?
So we draw on it with a marker like.
There you go.
Oh, you draw on the plastic with a marker.
Yeah, because it doesn't stick.
Oh, and then you spray with water, and then you put the paper on it.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
So you're
Yeah.
making these cards and you're giving them to your friends, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. You gonna write stuff on them?
Yep.
Very cool.
Man, how would you learn how to do something like this? I could
Never
check your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Did you make a video on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
This is the Wilsons, and we are going for a nice walk. You never know what you're going to see on a walk. You could find a duck, and that would be very exciting. Sometimes the walks take the very best of us.
Alright, Grizzlies, I'm about to take down these three ladies. In a scooter race.
We have razor wheels.
May not always win Granite Park, but at least you can have fun.
Hello, Granite Park Junior High family. This is your assistant principal, Mr. Brooks here, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about this great little thing that we have going on, which is the Bonding Bingo. And I am excited to tell you how you can share this. Let me explain the sharing portion. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go to Twitter and you're gonna tweet this out. You wanna specifically tweet it out to Granite Park JHS. Once again, that's at Granite Park JHS. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to make sure you have on that. On the second part on the tweet, you want to make sure you do hashtag bonding bingo. We need that bonding bingo, okay? So hashtag bonding bingo. And of course, the third and most important thing you don't want to forget is the video itself. So when you upload that video of you guys bonding, throw that on with the @GraniteParkJHS and the hashtag bonding bingo, and we should be good with what we need. We are excited to see the results of this activity. We love you, we care for you, and we're thinking about you.
Grizzlies, we know that even in the best of circumstances, it can be tough living with people in close quarters. And we know as you're practicing social distancing that there might be times where you feel a bit of that stress. So we thought maybe the bonding bingo would be something fun you could focus on doing with the people you live with. And we'd love to see you tweet those videos out or take pictures of some of the ways that you guys have been having fun in close quarters. Don't forget, on our Granite Park homepage, we do have our Ask a Counselor section. So if you'd like to ask a question, you can submit your question and we'll answer it for you on our Friday Counselor Corner segments. Make sure you check your weekly email newsletter that we're sending out on Thursdays. And if you haven't already had a chance or seen Mr. Pettit's announcements, there'll be directions on how you can sign up for a weekly text message on remind.com. So we're trying to stay in touch with you and make sure that you're getting information that's helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out to us because we're here for you. We'll see you next week, Granite Park.